Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Cami and on this channel we focus mainly on graphic design. Today is a bit of a different one. We're going to be focusing on creative blocks. So before we get into it, if you'd like to follow me on Instagram, that is where I post the most, that's where I interact the most. So it'd be lovely to see you guys there. And yeah, let's get into it. So, a creative block. It's something that I'm going through right now, and it's the feeling of being tired and very zombie-like and just not up for it. And even when you push yourself, try to be creative, try to go through it, it just doesn't work. It's looking at a blank page and just seeing a blank page. So it's a hard thing to go through for me. This is the first time that I'm going through a creative block, so it's a bit of a trial and error. And I've had a look, of course, online how to go through this creative block, and this is what I'm going to be doing to go through this block. So I'll let you guys know how it goes, but these tips seem to be the best tips, and this is what I'm doing right now. So the first tip of how to get through a creative block is taking a break. Of course, we all need breaks sometimes, and being creative it's not easy. It's a process, and I think doing the same thing over and over again, it does get tiring. Your mind needs that break, whether that is going on a walk or taking a shower or a bath. That is a break. Or sometimes you need a couple of days, and that is totally fine. And I'm taking a couple of days off of trying to do what I usually do, which is branding. So what I'm doing now in that time is I'm reading a book. Right now, the book that I'm reading is Know Your Onions, which is a graphic design book. I just started it, so that may be a review coming soon. So yeah, read a book. Get your mind off of what you do in a different sort of way, but still staying creative. As you know, reading a book, it's inspirational, it's motivational, and it just allows you to get ideas or just learning, you know. So this is where my next step comes in, is learn something new. So that is, you know, taking classes or courses or just totally something new. This doesn't have to relate to, you know, any creativity. What I'm doing right now, and what I'm trying to learn right now, is I want to become also a social media manager. So I'm looking for courses. I'm trying to learn, as I actually finished marketing degree. So it's something that does in line with, you know, all of this. And of course, some of my clients may need that extra help with social media that is more than some social media templates for them. They would need the whole package of, you know, managing the social media. And as of right now, I'm enjoying it. So it's definitely something that I will consider in the future when I do learn more about it. And yeah, so that's what I'm learning. So definitely learning something new is a great way to keep your mind working and, you know, help you get through this creative block. So the next step of trying to go through this creative block is being creative in small ways. So that could be in a different way than you usually are. It's trying to stay creative. So that could be doodling. That could be picking an outfit. That could be anything that you want. As long as your mind is staying creative, it's keeping your mind warm. It's like a warm-up, you know? Sometimes you just need a warm-up and keep it kind of warm, if you know what I mean. So what I'm doing right now, just to keep my mind working still, being creative, is lettering. It's something that I enjoy. It's something that I started before this creative block quite recently. So I read a book about it, and obviously I took some online classes on Skillshare, and now I'm practicing. So I'm doing lettering, and it's definitely keeping my mind still in the creative sense, but it's in a different way than my usual go-to, which is branding. So try and stay creative in a different way, and I think that will just keep your mind ready for when you finally get out of this block. So this is my tips, and an extra tip that is a bit kind of related but kind of not related to creative block is trying to keep your mind warm. So what I mean by that is a lot of people go into the whole project without, warming up, and sometimes you need it, and you should. It's something that I'm trying to do right now. So like I'm doing lettering, and that's a different sense of creativity compared to branding, but it is warming up my mind. It's starting to, think creatively. So I would definitely say before you start any project, take like a warm up. Your mind needs it. It's like a workout, You can't just go into a full-on workout without warming up. It's not really how it works, and sometimes I think a warm-up would definitely help. It starts your mind working, and it allows your ideas to be better because of it. I bet a lot of you, the first idea is not the best because you might just go straight into it. And I think that will just allow your ideas to always be best when you first start, rather than the second or the third idea to be the best by warming up. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, subscribe and comment. Hopefully I will get out of this creative block. It's definitely draining, but we're gonna get through this. And the usual videos that, if you don't know, I do a lot of design videos on branding and stuff like that, packaging. So definitely keep tuned. But I have enjoyed speaking to the camera, just like this. I'm thinking of doing more videos like this. So if you have any topics like this, that would definitely be something great to post below or message me. It's something for me to write down, and something for the future. So yeah, like I said before, follow me on Instagram because that is where I post the most. And if you want to message me there, any ideas, that'd be very much appreciated. So yeah, I'll see you guys next time, hopefully without this creative block. Bye!